The black walnut tree is found through zones 4 through 9. Zones 4 through 9 is where you will find the native black walnut tree. This is a 5-year stand of black walnut trees planted in 2021. The black walnut tree is prized for its timber, a dog grain hardwood prized for furniture. These trees take 30 plus years to mature. So this is a black walnut tree farm started in 2021. So this stand is about 5 to 6 years old. The black walnut tree is also prized for its black walnut, which is high in fiber. This is the black walnut. Here is the outer husk, the green husk. This will peel off in the fall and the nuts will fall to the ground and they will look like this. This is the black walnut. Inside will be the kernels, and this is actually the black walnut seed. Again, this is high in fiber. Also, the shells can be used for blasting. Some of the shell pieces can be used in dynamite. So again, this is the black walnut. Again, it is prized for its timber. Trees mature 30 plus years. The longer the tree lives, the more valuable the tree becomes. Timber logs for black walnut trees can start at $800 plus per tree, depending on the diameter of the log. Again, prized for valuable hardwood. The black walnut tree is called black gold because of the black walnuts it produces and because of the valuable timber that is produced too. So again, this is black walnut tree farming. Here you have approximately 2 acres of black walnut trees. The generational tree, they call it, because you plant it for the next generation because it takes so long for the tree to mature. So if you have questions or if you're interested in starting a black walnut tree farm, please send me a message. I will be happy to show you how to start your own black walnut tree farm. Again, this is my black walnut IRA. 1 to 2 acres of black walnuts, once they mature, can generate up to $75,000 to $100,000 per acre, again depending on the diameter of the saw logs. Again, this is black walnut tree farming. Thank you for watching the video. Again, if you have questions, please send me a message or DM me, and I will be happy to share with you my journey in starting a black walnut tree farm, and I will be happy to assist you in doing the same. Again, this is Alpha Tier Crawford with Finance Up. And to the next video, you guys take care, and I will talk to you soon.